Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling angry, overwhelmed, insecure, if you're feeling poor, like you can never be enough, feeling lonely, worried, depressed, full of cravings and desires, feeling tired, or perhaps even joyful, loving. Whatsoever you feel is okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can make some of the pain go away. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, or you can lay down, whatever you like. Becoming aware of your body, becoming aware of where you're holding tension in the body. Relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders, relaxing the muscles in your hands and feet. Opening your chest. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of stress. Breathing into your body and whole body exhaling, releasing, softening, letting go. Breathing in trust. Exhale, let go of fear. Let go of worries, let go of any anxieties you've been holding on to, simply putting them to the side as you come back into faith in yourself, faith in your circumstance, faith that everything is unfolding as it should for your benefit. Breathing in love for yourself and exhaling love for others. Sending love to someone who's been challenging you lately. Visualizing them in a happy place. Breathing in gratitude to be alive. And exhale, feeling yourself more thankful more centered, aware of all the blessings that you already have. Every cell in your body breathing in. And exhale, release. Breathing in presence. And exhale, letting go of past. Letting go of the future. And being in this precious space, right in between the past and the future. Such a precious space. Feeling your heart opening like a flower in the sun, bringing its own special fragrance of compassion, patience, being more kind to yourself. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Humbling yourself to the vastness of all that you are. Remembering that you're beyond the anxieties, beyond the worries, beyond the self-doubt, that doesn't define you. Becoming aware of your posture, becoming aware of your presence. Taking 3 breaths in and 3 breaths out. Following my lead. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Exhale. Taking a breath in and exhale. Relaxing your jaw, relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders, feeling the muscles in your feet relax. Opening your heart, feeling yourself more beautiful with a capital B. Becoming aware of the beauty that you already have. Instead of focusing on all of your flaws, why don't you focus on your beauty, your gifts? Letting go of the mistakes that have been made, having forgiveness, coming back into compassion, coming back into trust in these mistakes, that they're for a reason, for a purpose. Taking a deep breath in. Holding your breath. color for today is white. The number is 500, and the animal is a moose. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of healing, an abundance of feeling, blessings that is already here, becoming more aware of the goodness in your life and less focused on what's going wrong, what could be better. I know that that's tempting to focus on that stuff, but then we just miss out on so many beautiful aspects about ourselves, about our life, when we focus on the negatives. It's not just about being positive. It's just that oftentimes the most beautiful things in our day go unseen. So trying to just bring more awareness to that stuff. It's not just being blindly positive when stuff is actually going wrong, but being more aware of the sunshine, of the birds singing, of the beauty of your surroundings. Being less critical. That's what I'm talking about. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.